Okay, I've got the new remote connected to as you can see, lights are all blinking, but not pairing. It's not pairing. I'm gonna shut it off. Turn it back on. Does not pair. I just bought this. Just came in the mail. Does not work. I'm gonna shut it all off. I bought 3 of them and only only one works. I'm gonna disconnect the battery. I'm going to connect this one. Connecting the battery. Blinking. Turning on. Pairs immediately. This one works. This one works fine, but the other one does not work. How do I get a refund?